I'm an old dog. Sometimes I feel like just laying on the porch. But when my clients need me, I'm not afraid to get up and go to work. So if you need me, CYA, call your attorney. Attorney Roderick Todd McIver, the law dog. CYA. Call your attorney, Attorney Roderick Todd McIver.